Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The Best Science Diet Small Bites is probably one of the most talked about dog food options for small breeds, and today we're diving deep into what makes it stand out, from its carefully selected ingredients to its specialized kibble size designed for tiny mouths, ensuring optimal digestion and nutrient absorption for your pint-sized pal. Number 5. Hill's Science Diet Adult Small and Mini Dry Dog Food. Give your small adult dog the nutrition they need to thrive. This formula is specifically designed for their unique needs, supporting lean muscles and balanced energy. Help your furry friend maintain a healthy weight with perfectly balanced nutrition. This food provides the right combination of protein, fats, and carbohydrates for their ideal physique. Support your dog's digestive health with ingredients that are easy to process. We've included natural ingredients like pumpkin to promote a happy and healthy tummy. We believe in the power of natural ingredients. This food is made in the USA with global ingredients you can trust, ensuring quality and safety. Join the many pet parents who trust our brand. We are proud to be the #1 veterinarian recommended brand in the US, chosen by professionals for optimal pet health. What we like. If you have an adult dog between 1 to 6 years old, this is a great option. It focuses on lean muscle support and balanced energy. If you are looking for a veterinarian recommended brand that supports ideal body weight, this is the one to consider. What people say. My dog has been eating Science Diet Small Bites for years and loves it. This food is great for my dog's sensitive stomach. My dog's coat has never looked better since switching to this food. Number 4. Hill's Science Diet Puppy Small Bites Chicken Meal and Barley Recipe. Introducing Hill's Science Diet Puppy Food, specially formulated for your growing puppy. It comes in a delicious chicken flavor and small kibble size, perfect for little ones. This food is enriched with DHA from fish oil, crucial for healthy brain and eye development. Give your puppy the best start for cognitive and visual growth. High-quality protein is essential for building lean muscle. Our formula provides the necessary protein to support your puppy's active lifestyle and physical development. A balanced blend of minerals ensures the development of strong bones and healthy teeth. Support your puppy's skeletal health with every bite. We believe in the power of nature. That's why this puppy food is made with natural ingredients, ensuring a wholesome and nutritious meal for your furry friend. What we like. For owners of small breed puppies, this formula is specifically designed for their developmental needs. It provides DHA for brain and eye health, and essential minerals for strong bones and teeth. If you are raising a growing little dog, this is the perfect choice. What people say. My dog loves the taste and it has helped with his digestion. The small bites are perfect for my small dog, making it easy for him to chew and swallow. I've noticed a significant improvement in my dog's coat since switching to this food. Number 3. Hill's Science Diet Healthy Mobility Adult Dog Food. Is your dog slowing down? Give them the support they need to stay active and playful. This food is designed to help them move with ease. It's formulated with EPA from fish oil to maintain healthy joint cartilage. This promotes better mobility and keeps them feeling their best. We've included natural sources of glucosamine and chondroitin to actively support their joint health. It's the natural way to keep them comfortable. Balanced minerals are essential for strong bones, providing a solid foundation for all their activities. They'll be ready for any adventure. You can trust the ingredients, as it's made in the USA with globally sourced components. We prioritize quality for your beloved pet. Join the many pet parents who trust this formula. It's the #1 veterinarian recommended choice for supporting your dog's mobility. What we like. If your adult dog is experiencing mobility issues or you want to proactively support their joint health, this product is ideal. It contains EPA from fish oil and natural sources of glucosamine and chondroitin. If you are looking for a veterinarian recommended option to help keep your dog active and comfortable, consider this. What people say. My dog loves the taste and texture of this food. It's made with high-quality ingredients and is a great source of nutrition for my dog. I've noticed a significant improvement in my dog's coat and skin since switching to this food. Number 2. Hill's Science Diet Adult Small and Mini Dry Dog Food. Introducing an updated formula designed for adult dogs with sensitive stomachs and skin. It provides triple support for their digestive, skin, and immune health. This highly digestible formula features prebiotic fiber, making it gentle on the stomach. This ensures optimal nutrient absorption for your dog's well-being. Enriched with essential vitamins and fatty acids, it promotes healthy skin and a shiny coat. Your dog will look and feel their best. Clinically proven antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, work together to support a healthy immune system. Keep them protected and active. It provides 27 key nutrients, including essential vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. This offers complete and balanced nutrition for adult dogs. Made with high-quality chicken as the #1 ingredient, this food is both nutritious and delicious. It's a choice you can feel good about. What we like. For dogs with sensitive stomachs or skin issues, this updated formula offers triple support. Its highly digestible ingredients and prebiotic fiber are gentle on the stomach, while vitamin E and omega fatty acids promote a healthy coat. If you are looking for a solution to digestive upset and dull skin, this is a great choice. What people say. My dog has been on this food for 2 years and he loves it. My dog has been on this food for 2 years and he loves it. My dog has been on this food for 2 years and he loves it. Number 1. Hill Science Diet Adult Small Bites Chicken and Barley. Give your adult small dog the nutrition they need with our Small Bites dry food. It's specially formulated for their unique needs. Achieve a visibly healthier skin and coat. Our formula is enriched with omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin E for a radiant shine. Support strong, lean muscles with high-quality protein. This ensures your dog stays active and healthy. We believe in the power of nature. That's why it's made with natural ingredients you can trust for your beloved pet. Feel confident in the quality of their food. It's proudly made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients. Choose the brand that veterinarians trust. It's the #1 recommended brand by US veterinarians. What we like. If you prioritize natural ingredients and want to support both your adult dog's skin and coat health, this is a solid option. It also provides high-quality protein for lean muscle maintenance. If you are looking for a veterinarian-recommended brand that focuses on these key areas, this product is worth considering. What people say. The Small Bites are perfect for my small dog. My dog loves the taste and it has improved his digestion. Good quality ingredients and my dog's coat looks healthier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.